Hello, welcome to Comfycozyup. So today I'm going to be doing what am I currently reading and a little bit of update of what I want to do in the next couple of weeks. So I am back at The Count of Monte Cristo by Alexander Dumas, and I talked about it in my wrap up, and I had gotten to 207 and I stopped. So then I picked it up recently and I had to go back 100 page because I forgot what I read. And so it kind of sucked because, you know, having to reread 100 pages because you don't remember exactly what was going on. So with that, I'm currently back at where I stopped, which is not so bad. I mean, I have time. The goal is to read half of this month. I definitely don't plan on finishing it because I want to read other things, which I am doing anyway. So that's where I'm at with this. The second book I am reading is an ebook, and it is Piecing Me Together by Renee Watson. And so far I'm enjoying it. It's a coming of age story of a young girl, and she grew up in, she lives in a poor neighborhood, and she is currently going to a private school where she is on scholarship. And with that, she's taken every opportunity that she can have because it's you know, life is rough, but how these opportunities are presented to her is where I'm, you know, in the book I'm a little bit annoyed at times. It's kind of like a hand-me-down situation because, you know, what is assumed of her because of where she lives. With that said, it's a good book. Enjoying it, and we'll see how I feel about it in my wrap up. Also, I am currently on vacation. Yes, so I'm off for 3 weeks from work, and I'm not going anywhere special. But I plan on doing a few activities where I will blog. I will vlog it and share it on here. And if you've been on my channel for a while, you know I don't just vlog books. I do add other things. I love jazz concerts, I love museums, I love Broadway shows, you know, interesting events, especially events that's from small businesses. So I'm probably going to share a lot of that and any other, you know, much ado about nothing kind of vlog. But again, I'm sure you enjoy it. Those tend to be one of my higher views on my channel. So anyway, that will be it for now, and thanks for checking out my video, and have a good day. Bye.